Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like images to your graphic tee or like to a normal t-shirt. Well, I guess like to an oversized tee or just a classic t-shirt, that's what I mean. So I'm gonna just take everything off here and I'm just going to select this shirt. It's gonna show up instantly, but you're going to want to choose the image. So for instance, just select the shirt here and go back to this toggle icon and then select the kind of logo you want. Hopefully they add more designs to it, but I'm not complaining. This looks good. This will literally just change the color of the design kind of. And then wait, where's the green one? I kind of like this one. And then this one will change the color of the shirt. Super cool. And you can also do it to the oversized t-shirt, which I'm walking into right now. Select this, and then again you can change the color of the shirt here, as well as the lines that they have and the color of the design as well. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.